Hello everybody, it's Nick here with Nick Tolman Music, and today we're going to go ahead and teach you how to play Hold On by Justin Bieber. Let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so starting off on this one, I just have to say that this particular episode of Top 40 Riffs is very much a beginner episode. So if this is the first time you've ever picked up a guitar, you can learn this song. It is super easy. We're going to teach it to you here in less than 5 minutes for sure. Let's go ahead and get started with it. Starting out, this song is in the key of C sharp minor. You probably don't need to know that, but in case you were curious, it is. All right, so what's gonna happen here, I'm gonna play it for you and I'm just gonna walk you through exactly what needs to happen for you to be successful on this. Here we go. Super simple riff. It really takes me back to my Blink-182 days back when I was a kid. All these kinds of super simple riffs were really common back then, but yeah, Justin Bieber giving us some throwback. All right, so what's gonna happen here is you're gonna go ahead and start with your third finger on your left hand. That's gonna go on the 4th fret of the 5th string. That note is C sharp. Okay, third finger, 4th fret, 5th string. Okay. And I'm picking this with my fingers. You can use a pick if you'd like, but it works great with your fingers, right? So I'm gonna pick that note with my thumb, and then I'm gonna pick this open E up here with my middle finger, and then the open B, open 2nd string, with my 1st finger, right? So together that's gonna go thumb, index, middle, and it does it twice, right? So again, that low C sharp, the high E string, the 1st string, and then the 2nd string. Okay, then from there, you're gonna go ahead and go down to the note B with your 1st finger. That's gonna be on the 2nd fret of the 5th string, and you're gonna do the same exact thing. These two upper notes with your middle finger and your index finger are the same 2 notes. Does it twice again. Now your 1st finger is going to come off and you're just going to play your open 5th string with your thumb. And then your 1st finger is going to go back onto the 2nd fret, the note B, 2nd fret of the 5th string. And that's it. That's the whole thing, right? And that is the opening riff for Hold On by Justin Bieber. Now, if you're curious in learning more of the song, the rest of the song follows the chords that I have on the tab below, which is basically a C sharp minor chord, a B chord, an A chord, and a B chord. If those bar chords are challenging for you, you can go ahead and throw on a capo, put it on the 4th fret, and you can do an A minor chord, a G chord, an F chord, G chord, A minor. And that's all there is to it. Thank you so much for tuning in today. As always, if you haven't already, please subscribe, and we will see you on our next episode of Top 40 Riffs.